I left the crib at like 4:40, and I forgot my SD card, so I got to get used to that because I'm usually used to like recording from my phone. So phone, keys, wallet, I got everything. But that wasn't the case because I was editing a video yesterday, and you have to basically insert the SD card into the computer to get the footage, and then and edit it. So I'm rushing out the door thinking I'm gonna be early, like on time and stuff. So it's 4:55 right now, and so I had to turn around and, you know, get my SD card or whatever. But yeah, back on the road, we moving, and listening to some Neville Goddard. So some good stuff right here. This is what I usually do in the morning to prime my mindset and just, you know, get ready for the day. Start off with a few wins, you know, working out, getting the positive affirmations, getting the positive messages, and then by the time I get to the crib, I'm ready for New York session. So yeah, I'm excited. It's gonna be a good week, so let's make some money. Just risked $500 on this trade. So this is my FunderPro account. So I'm trying to get funded 25 grand, and I'm feeling pretty confident about it. So wish me luck on this trade. All right, look, this is the program I'm on today. Wait a second. Okay, so I got all this stuff right here. So you probably can't see it because it's focused on my face, but we'll turn it down a little bit. So basically back day, you know what I mean? So gonna focus on wide grip. I got 5 sets. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. So I got the Sayo tank with the drop shoulders, and then like you see right here, I got the few risk, few win joggers. So these are the more of the athleisure kind of has a scrunchie on the bottom. Sometimes I wear the straight leg ones where there's no scrunchie towards the bottom. I like these ones better because when I wear high top shoes, it kind of just, it looks overall better. I noticed like the younger people, they like to rock the straight leg ones. The straight leg ones are a little bit thinner and more comfortable. I feel like the quality is kind of like the Fear of God Essentials straight leg pants. So I kind of wear those around the house and stuff. But these ones, I might actually go up a size because these are mediums, and I'm tall, so they might be a little too perfect. So if I wash them like one time, like they might shrink on me. So but yeah, so yeah, that's what I got on today. If you guys go check out my website, I actually dropped some new merch. I really like these gradient ones. So yeah, go check them out. Oh, check it out. I can control the, you know what I'm saying? I can control it from my phone, you know what I mean? So I have basically the footage on my phone, and I think that's really good because now I can get those really good angles, and I don't know, man, I just think it's cool. All right, let's get it. Let's move it this way a little bit. It's like a video. I'm like video game type shit right now. All right, let's get it. Pretty much done with the workout. Gonna do 25 minutes on an incline treadmill, and I'm out. I'm not gonna film that because I'm in the way and shit. So yeah, let's get it. All right, so just got done with that workout. If you guys want to look at my workout routine, I'm gonna provide basically my workouts in the description below, so you can follow them with me. And then also, yeah, I think I'm gonna actually short NASDAQ today. It's looking pretty bearish. So, you know, it's actually like at a resistance area and it's not breaking. So a little bit of consolidation. And so I'm gonna do a swing trade on NASDAQ to short the market. All right, quick update. You see right here, I am up $153, but I actually got stopped out of Euro JPY and I got into another position. So let's flip this around really quick. And let me just show you where I'm at exactly on this chart. So I'm gonna zoom in for you guys just to show you exactly what happened. So I actually bought right around here and I was anticipating price going on up right here. But what happened was it hit this resistance and started pulling back. But looking at the overall higher time frames, right? If we go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that price is starting to exhaust. So let's go to the 2-hour time frame just to get some more detail, and you can kind of see right here that it's respecting these SMAs. So I have the 50 EMA and the 20 SMA right here, and so price is starting to bounce. So if this little area right here looks like exhaustion, then this could be a potential good position to get into that actual buy. So you can see that I bought right there, and I'm currently in profit around $100 on my FunderPro account. So that's one position. The other position that I wanted to show you guys is the NASDAQ. So let's go ahead and get into the NASDAQ shorts. Let me pull that up really quick. Indexes, oops, not that one. And then we got NASDAQ shorts. Okay, cool. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. And then you can see, let me go ahead and refresh this page really quick because it's looking kind of sloppy. And then, okay, cool. Oops, let's get rid of that. Jeez. Okay, cool. So price is starting to exhaust right here. So you're gonna see this blue horizontal line, and really simple, right? I see price kind of coming over here to these SMAs, and this is a risk because it could create some higher highs, but this right here on the 4-hour time frame tells me that there is consolidation. If you look past in history, you know, there's basically higher highs and lower highs being formed, but right here we don't see anything. So I do anticipate price coming back down to this area, and yeah, that's the short that I'm in. So if we go to the actual, let's see, short, let me just show you exactly my position. So my stop loss is right here. You can see the red perforated lines. This is where I actually got into the position, and then price is currently right here. So one of two things could happen. Price can start bouncing off of these smooth moving averages to continue up, or it can break to come down to this area right here. So I do anticipate price coming down to this area, and this would be a potential $6,500 trade. So all right, so just wanted to keep you guys updated with EJ. I got stopped out once. I rebought EJ, and then a NASDAQ, I'm actually in a short right now. So I'm keeping a close eye on it. I'm up $700, which is great. And yeah, it could be a really, really great day if it does continue going down. So it may take a few days for it to go down to my target profit area, but if all goes well, I'm in the green, and I'm gonna have a really good week. Peace. Oh yeah, forgot to mention, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you're new to trading, use TradeLocker and open up an account. It could be a demo, it can be a very small account. I use Gates FX, so if you're new to the channel again, if you're a new trader, go ahead and use TradeLocker. It's one of the best platforms to actually get started with day trading. And if you need to play with fake money, right, and trade with fake money, use a demo account. So go to the description in this video below, and then that didn't even make any sense. Go click on the link in the description below, and then you'll be able to open up a demo account or a small live account using Gates FX. So I'll provide that information in the description below. Peace.